This is Daniel from Dr. Chrono. I have David here from NextPatient. He is an interesting partner. So some of our partners come to us directly, our API partners, and then ask for help on development and those sorts of things. But for him, he came a different route where a physician, an urgent care clinic in Berkeley, asked to do an integration with him. We gave him the API, and pretty quickly the integration just happened. How did you start NextPatient?
So I was trying to solve the problem that a lot of patients have. That let's say it's late at night and you want to see a doctor soon, and currently that's kind of a tough problem, or at least it's a little. There's a lot more steps than you want to be. Let's say it's 8 o'clock and you're sick and you want to see someone. Currently, you probably go to Google or you go to Yelp and you have to kind of search for doctors. You go to a bunch of doctors' websites which have, they have phone numbers, but they're not open now. Or there are urgent care centers that say, we open tomorrow morning, come on in, there's never a wait, which is not quite credible. And what you really want is you really want to book an appointment online. And what's kind of surprising is that that's really not all that common in healthcare. I saw some numbers recently that said something like only 11% of appointments are available online in healthcare.
Wow.
Which compared to something like the restaurant industry or travel is just, it's ridiculously low. So what I wanted NextPatient to do is I wanted NextPatient to basically solve this scheduling problem. And I set the goal of, I want most doctors in the US, or at least a large fraction, to be able to have their schedule right on the front page of their website.
Right.
I think this makes a lot of sense because if you're a patient and you're looking at their website, that's probably the number one question on your mind. It's, all right, this person looks interesting, when can I see you? So now what we launched recently, what we're rolling out is that for every doctor that wants it, essentially free online scheduling that's going to integrate with their EHR. Starting